Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how I enhance the lips. So let's get started. First, I will be adding a layer and set it on multiply blending mode. And then I'm going to use the eyedrop tool and select the most darkest shade on the lips. And using my shading brush, I am going to just draw and outline the lips, the middle part of the lips. And then we're going to draw a little of this. It's like just like a little, it looks like a water drop. Kind of looks like a water drop to me. And then I'm going to use the liquify pen to adjust it a little bit. And I'm going to use the blur tool to slightly blend the colors a little bit because I like how it looks. You can always just leave it rough and not blend it, but I prefer blending it. Now I will be going to my avatar layer and using the blur tool I'm going to sort of smoothen everything out so it doesn't have those like glitches. This part is totally optional. I'm just adding some smooth shading on and like just make it look more gradient like. And the lips seem a bit too dark, so I'm going to merge both layers, and using the FX filter I'm going to change the drawing color and change it to a lighter red instead of a darker one that I did previously. And that is basically how I retouch my lips in all of my edits. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a pleasant day.